Hey guys, this is Online Gamer, and this is just a tutorial for the instant level 50 UA exploit, which came out, I think, 2 days ago. So yeah, I'll just teach you how to do it. First of all, you're gonna want to copy paste this root packet, the string of bytes, just into a if you're a Windows user, just into a Notepad thing. I've already pre-edited one, so yeah, that's all the kind of like the legend. And yeah, so it was released by w8baby. He gives credits to .currency, but I don't think .currency was the one to actually find it. Yeah, so you're going to want to start off with your IGN. So find an IGN that isn't being used. Get a hex converter. So I'm just using that. That's just a random one. Then you just press encode. Copy the hex. Paste it into this green section. Find how many characters it has. So it has 9, so you just change that to 9. Now we'll go on to face. I am using, you can get the IDs, which is this number at the back. You can get that from Band Story, but that doesn't have particular colors, so I'm just using this for now. To get that, you just want to copy image URL, you just want to paste that. Blue isn't working right now, so I'll just use this. And that isn't working, so I'll use green. Yeah, so you just want to get it from the end. So we're using face, so you just copy that, and you are going to want to download Tris Maple Converter, which converts this to Lil Indian, and it's already reversed. So yeah, you just want to copy paste that into there. So that's 4850. Then you just copy that into this string of bytes or packet. So that's already copied. And yeah, so now that's done. Now for the hair, just copy this, paste it into here, copy paste this, 7C82, 7C82. So then that's done. Make sure you keep the double O's. That is very important. And yeah, so now that's all done. The IGN, the face, the hair, and now you just want the class ID. So I'm just going to make it an assassin. So you just copy that, and then you just put it in front of there. If you are using just a 1 byte thing, then you have to change this value to 00 and then put the E6 there for cleric, which is, I know it's not the only single one, but that's one of them. And now the packet is ready to send. So yeah, you just want to copy paste this, and the URLs for this, and the download for Injector Gadget, Tris Maple Hex Converter, and Ripe will be in the description. Alright, so yeah, don't need that anymore, but you just want to launch MapleStory. Make sure you run it as administrator if you're running, I think, Vista or Windows 7. And then yeah, now you just want to boot Injector Gadget. I've already booted it. You just refresh the list so that the MapleStory process comes up. Where is it? I'll just do this. So yep, now it's there. Now you just drag Ripe, drag the .dll into there, and then press inject. Now that'll come up. Just delete this, you don't need that, that's the header for a different one. Then you just press play. Now I'll just wait for this to boot up. Dun, 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 dun. Why does it take so long to load? It's a fucking small game and it takes so long. Yeah, so this is just my mule account. This is my YouTube email. I did make it on Glacier because I stuffed up one on Scania and it crashes every time I go to the character selection screen. Yeah, so you can just create a character, any whatever you want, name it whatever. I'll just call it YouTube type. Yep. Change this to what you want. There is a chance that the skin tone doesn't come out what you have set it. So yeah, and then you just start that. Now, you don't have to do anything. So you can just basically just do whatever. Now you just go to the packet editor. Copy paste this packet and just paste it into here. That's all done. Make sure there's no kind of spaces at the end or anything, and just send. Now you just want to quit. Bloody hell! Fuck. New keyboard. Chuck that in there. Head over here. And wham! What is that we have right there? You know, that is that. No, what? Yeah. Now I have heard that there have been some people trying to figure out an exploit where the items that Empress Cygnus gives you they're actually changed because the item values are changed. So yeah, then that'll just be there. You have all these. And yeah, if you do delete the you can just delete the level 1, and then next one won't be able to trace you back to it not being a Cygnus. So yeah, that's a good idea if you don't want to get caught. I doubt that they're going to ban people, but yeah, that's just basically my tutorial. Look for the links for all the downloads in the description, and have fun, everyone. Yeah, see ya. Oops. That is a dopey look. Alright.